Guys, these are the flashing bowls from SpiritShack. Yeah, you've probably seen these being used a lot. They're really popular. Yeah, Ghosts of Britain and all the big channels are using them. Yeah, so they've basically just got an on button, and then it flashes when movement's detected. Yeah, they're really sensitive. Yeah, the batteries can't be changed in them because I think this casing is glued. But I've literally had these for about 2 years, and well, got 3 of them. And batteries are still going, so if you're just going to use them for paranormal investigations, they will literally last years. Right, so let's give these a test. Let's wait for them to stop flashing. Right, so yeah, they just detect motion. Yeah, slightest little movement triggers them. Yeah, they can be used for yes/no questions. If you ask this question and ask it to flash for yes and not for no. Yeah, I've had that several times and got several good responses. And you can also ask the spirits to try and flash 2 balls at once. And if one just keeps going off, to check it's a genuine spirit triggering it, you can ask it to trigger a different ball. Yeah, they're really white as well, even in the day. But I'll just show you them in the dark. Yeah, you can literally see them a mile off. Yeah, and for the price as well, it's a really good ghost hunting product to have. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share.